On-page SEO is powerful if you know how to do it the right way, and more importantly, if you know why you are doing it. The on-page SEO checklist can be a long one, but in today's video, I will be sharing my top 5 on-page SEO tips that I am betting on this year, and more importantly, why I am betting on them. Hi, my name is Navdeep Soni. I am an SEO consultant, and on this channel, we break the myth that you cannot earn a handsome income online. So the first things first, the things I'm going to discuss in this video are surely going to impact positively this year. But before I begin, I'm making the following assumptions that are part of regular on-page SEO tips. These are: number one, your website should load faster. And secondly, you are putting unique and quality content. These are no-brainer things in the new age of SEO and should be top-notch priority along with the basic technical SEO stuff. And never forget that in SEO, there is no single factor that will move the needle. It is always a combination of more than one factor. With these thoughts, let's begin with my favorite 5 on-page SEO tips for this year. Number one is the keyword in the URL and the title tag. This is an age-old technique and it still works like a charm when it comes to SEO. This is one of the easiest way to make Google understand what your article is all about and what kind of info is expected in your article. So go ahead and use your keyword in the URL and title tag without any hesitation, no matter what you read on the internet. Although there are few things related to this that you need to keep in mind. First is, don't make your URLs lengthy. You can easily do that by removing unnecessary words like helping verbs in your URL. Go ahead and remove those for, can, and, do, has, have in your URLs. Also, when you are using keyword in your title, try to use the keyword in front without compromising on the catchy title. Number 2, internal linking. If you are not aware, internal linking refers to the linking of one post to another post on your website. It is still one of the vital ranking factors in SEO, and I often call it a poor cousin brother of backlinks. Yes, you need to link every new post from other posts, but there has to be some plan and logic behind internal linking. You just cannot randomly start linking one post to the other. Think from a user point of view. Can you help or guide your reader to a post that is related to the post he is already reading? Does it add any value by referring him to another post related to the topic he is reading? These are some logical questions you need to ask before linking to any post, whether it is an internal link or even an outbound link. It should make some sense to add an internal link. Don't do internal linking just because you are supposed to do it. If you are using topic clusters, your internal link will automatically start making sense, and it is a crucial part of topic clusters. And if you want to learn more about topic clusters and how they help in ranking faster, check out my video on it. The link is in the description. Number 3, images and videos. Google is getting smarter day by day in understanding your content. It is getting easier for him to understand if you are sharing unique content, valuable content, or just replacing or repackaging the existing information on the internet. In fact, in my previous video, I discussed the recent Google product review update. After this update, Google has updated its guidelines and has clearly mentioned that they prefer new unique content that supports your article. It can be in the form of new images, video, and even audio. Although it is specifically for posts related to reviewing products, but the importance of using images and videos cannot be negated. In fact, I have lately seen a jump in rankings when I have added a YouTube video in my posts. So go ahead and add supporting YouTube videos, images, original infographics, or any sort of useful imagery. And yes, don't use something that is already available on the internet or being used by your competitors or other websites. And if you're using images, don't forget to rename your images to something meaningful and related to your keyword and add that alt text for your images. Number 4, using secondary keywords in your headings. If you're not aware, whenever you are writing an article, it ranks for primary keyword on which your article is based, but also on multiple related keywords as well. Like I mentioned in my content brief video, you should carefully craft your secondary keywords and subtopics that will be using these secondary keywords. Secondary keywords are nothing but supporting subtopics of primary keywords that do not deserve a separate post, so they are part of the article. Use these secondary keywords as a part of H2, H3 headings and make a strong statement for Google. It will help you rank on secondary keywords as well and help Google understand how your primary keyword and secondary keywords are supporting the overall article. And number 5, my most favorite, adding a custom schema. In my list of top 5 things I'm betting on in on-page SEO, this last one of adding custom schema is my most favorite. Yes, let me say it again. I said custom schema or customized schema, not your standard schema that plugins like Yoast provides. Although I will still recommend standard schema like how to FAQ schema, but most of your articles that do not fall into any standard schemas should have a customized schema. If you're not aware of schemas, it is a standard format and a structured way of presenting the data that search engines can understand, be it Google, Yahoo, Bing, or DuckDuckGo. In custom schema, we go for a detailed schema including properties based on entities used in the article. Creating custom schema is little complicated, but results are remarkable if done correctly. Having said that, it is not a foolproof method to boost ranking, as many people in the internet try to publicize it to sell their services. Yes, I have seen success using it on my sites and my client work, but there have been instances where it did not do much, but I'm still betting on it. So these were the 5 tips I'm bullish on this year. What are your favorite on-page SEO things that work for you? Let me know in the comments. That is it for this video. Please like this video and share it on your social media channels, WhatsApp groups, subscribe to the channel and connect with me on Instagram and Twitter. All the links mentioned in this video are in the description, so do check it out. That is it for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.